Good morning. Today we will start a new chapter, that is natural resources. Okay. So first we will discuss about the introductions of natural resources. What is natural resources? Natural resources are the naturally occurring substance which is considered very valuable for the survival of all living things on the earth. That means the things which is occurred by the nature and which is very valuable, very useful to all the living things. Okay, like our planet. Our planet is gifted with a wide range of natural resources like water, forest, soil, animals, sunlight, minerals, etc. These resources are gifted by the nature, and that is why there is a existence of life is only possible in our planet Earth. Okay, the life of the people over the year has shaped up according to the way in which they have used the natural resources. A nation's wealth is largely dependent on how well they are use their natural resources. And the natural resources are two types. One is renewable resources, another one is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, what is that? Renewable resources are the resources which can be used again and again. They are inexhaustible. They are the part of our natural environment and form our ecosystem. Like example of renewable resources are sunlight, water, air. These are the things you can use again and again. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources which are exhaustible and cannot be replaced. They exist only in a fixed amount and cannot be remade. That means if you finish this item, that will never be occur or remade again. Okay, like examples of non-renewable resources are fossil fuels, iron, uranium, petroleum, coal, etc. Now we discuss about the uses of natural resources. You can use the natural resource in so many ways. Like some natural resources can be used directly and some need to be processed before use. Like air, water, sunlight you can use directly, and the water is used for the different purpose, like it is used to produce electricity by the building dam, and it is also used for irrigations, farming, etc. Solar energy is another source we can use directly, and it is never ending resource. That means it is renewable resources. Okay, many vehicles, gadgets have been made which work with the solar energy, and wind energy is also used for the production electricity. So you have to remember water energy, that means hydroelectricity energy, solar energy, wind energy. These all are the renewable resources. Okay, some resources cannot be used in their natural form. They need to be processed before they can be used. Like petroleum, that is taken out from the earth, is in a crude form. Okay, so it should refine and change to petrol, diesel, kerosene and the other products. The case in same with the minerals also. When you obtained that minerals, it is in a crude way, okay, or the raw or the minerals ores. Okay, so in that case you need to be refined that minerals or the crude oil, then you should you used it. Okay, all the industrial growth and the development that we see around us not have been possible without the use of the natural resources. So these are the uses of natural resources. Now we will discuss about the conservations of natural resources. Conservation is very important because conservation means you have to reserve that for our future generations. Okay, since many natural resources are non-renewable, that's why we must preserve them. If we are going to use these resources continuously, they will get exhausted soon. So there is a rising demand to conserve all our natural resources. Air, water, land are being affected due to the overuse of the non-renewable resources. The environment can pollutions if we use tremendously fossil fuels or the others non-renewable resource like petroleum, uranium, iron. If you use that, it will be easily finished or easily done. So we need to conserve them. And many plants and animal species have become extinct, and many others are on the verge of extinction. So they won't be a future if we don't conserve our natural resources properly. No matter how well we have progressed, we cannot survive without these natural resources. So we must look after the gift that nature has given us with the utmost care. Okay, we have to protect our natural resources, conserve our natural resources. Okay, so this is all about the natural resources. I hope you understood. If you have any queries, please comment below. Okay, and subscribe my channel